Here, Toodles. Wait a minute. Here. No, that's Toodles, Georgie. Get your stuff. Here, Toodles. Georgie, do you mind? She wants to eat her treats. And now you're going to sneak in. Hey! Now that was not nice. Georgie, that was not nice. Come here. Come on.